Okay, so this site here is clickonomy.com, and this is a solo ad network similar to udemy.com, and they do have the similarities. They do, just like udemy.com, they do have a rating system. Now, what I find different about this, how they are different, is that Clickonomy, on this site, you could actually buy solo ads for different niches. You have a greater variety to choose from. On Udemy, it's mainly for the internet marketing crowd. There may be some health niche solo ad sellers on there, but you're going to find a greater variety on clickonomy.com. So let's just log in, just take a quick look here. Now I've just opened up an account with them, so I'm not familiar with Clickonomy. Udemy is a site that I mainly use, so I highly recommend that. But I've heard great things about this new Soul Ad Network site. And as you can see here, let's just take a look at the niches that are available. There's beauty, business opportunity, dating, health and wellness, internet marketing, investing and trading, personal development, personal finance, survival, technology, weight loss, women health, and even woodworking.